Palau de Pinos was the Barons of Pinos' residence from the 10th century, and it has been undergoing some changes and modifications over the centuries. From the building stands out its inner part with rooms that keep romantic paintings and murals dating from the 18th and 19th century, when the palace was still inhabited. In 1990, this landmark building was the subject of two institutional impulses. Firstly, it was declared Cultural Heritage of National Interest by the Generalitat of Catalonia, and on the other hand, it was purchased by the Bagà Consistory in order to restore and condition it as the village cultural space. Nowadays, it hosts the Medieval and Cathar Center, the Tourist Office and the Office of the Camils Bons Homes. The Medieval and Cathar Center shows to the visitors the medieval and Cathar way of life. Through the different rooms, several characters explain the link of the Cathars with the population of Bagà, revealing the rich past of the High Berguedà's capital city. The route of the Cathars, also known as Camils Bons Homes, is a long-distance path, GR 107, that links Berga with Montsegur, near Carcassonne in France.